Guys, we're back with another hair review, and this time we are going to see this hair. Hey guys, so I know this is like a different type of review, but I wanted to try something different. So what I did was I wore the hair out, because normally I'll do like a unboxing and show y'all the hair and show y'all what came with it. But I am going to show you guys that I'm just going to insert it later or on the screen now. I'm trying a new method as well, so hopefully I can put it on the screen while I'm talking. If I could, it would be lit. But if not, I'm still going to insert it probably now or towards the end of the video. But it's just showing you what initially came with the hair and stuff like that. But I just wanted to wear the hair out to get a feel for it, to, you know, kind of tell y'all what I like about it, what I don't like about it. I like it. And this is no product on it. Like, I don't have any product on it. I literally just took it out, shaped it to my liking, and sprayed it with water. But honestly, it didn't even need spray. But I just wanted to do it because I just wanted to do it. I love the length because it's getting hot and nobody want all that hair down their back unless they want that hair down their back. And I don't like with curly hair. I like it kind of short. I don't know why I'm gonna do. But this is the band it comes with. So, you know. And then it comes with these, what you will see in the video. So you can just wear it like this, you know. And like this, you know. But I actually like the black band, so don't make no who to me, you know. But yeah, very soft. It had a little bit of shedding when I was putting my hands through it when I was spraying it, but after that, no more shedding. One. I don't even know if y'all can see that one little strand, but yeah, that's it. I love these curls. Everything will be down below. The direct link to the hair will be down below. And all of that, my love. So yeah, this was a quick review / unboxing. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.